going on, guys? Dylan here with Solo Cuts Landscaping, and this is video 3 of my 3-video series on our pre-season packets that we are sending out to our customers this year in 2019. Now, the first video was about our lawn service sheets. Our second video was about our change of payment terms, and this third video is going to be about taxes that will be applied to the services provided. Right off the rip, we're going to throw a disclaimer out there. I am not any authority when it comes to taxes. I'm just giving you guys my thoughts on what I'm going to be applying to my business. My taxes are completely different than your guys's. So go to your state department of taxation, go to your local tax guy if you have any questions about taxes. So therefore, I cannot be held responsible for anything that has to do with yours. So now that we got that out of the way, let's get into this video. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. I work full-time and run a lawn and landscape company, and I'm gonna bring you guys along the way, showing some tips, tricks, and advice, a little behind the scenes action, just like this video. Also, we will be doing product reviews throughout the year. So if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. So as you guys know, I am a handful of years into being a business owner. With that, I am learning a lot of this stuff on my own. Yes, I'm asking questions where I can, but a lot of it is just coming from research and everything like that. So as I continue to grow, I continue to learn more and more, and changes have to be made. Well, I guess a cloud just decided to come through because there's no light out there. Thank goodness I have my lighting inside. So with that and learning more about taxes and everything, I come to find out that I have been actually short-sighting myself on money to bring into my business by not applying the sales tax to some of my services. Now, when it came to the landscaping side of everything, I was applying sales tax where it was appropriate. But what I wasn't doing was applying sales tax to my weekly lawn customers on the services that I was providing. So just to give you guys a little blurb of what my tax revised code is for my area.
It says, the Ohio Revised Code Section 5739.01 defines landscaping and lawn care service as the services of planting, seeding, sodding, removing, cutting, trimming, pruning, mulching, aerating, applying chemicals, watering, fertilizing, and providing similar services to establish, promote, or control the growth of trees, shrubs, flowers, grass, ground cover, and other flora, or otherwise maintaining a lawn or landscape grown or maintained by the owner for ornamentation or other non-agricultural purpose. However, landscaping and lawn care service does not include the providing of such services by a person who has less than $5,000 in sales of such services during the calendar year.
That was a lot. As you can see there, cutting the customer's grass and maintaining it is a taxable service. So what I was doing when I would invoice a customer is I would just say it was a $40 cut. I would charge $40 times 4 cuts a month, $160, boom. Well, at the end of the month, when I would have to report my gross sales and pay monthly sales tax on that, I was losing out on money because I wasn't charging the 7.25% sales tax onto their invoice. So after talking to my accountant, they had brought it to my attention that I was actually losing profits because I was not charging the appropriate sales tax. Obviously, being new into the business and continuing to learn, this was another part of the business that I learned. So because of that, I wanted to inform my customers of this change, so that way there was no surprises or anything like that. So just like the past videos, I will be reading the letter that I wrote. I will explain myself as I read that letter. So like always, on the top is going to be my name, number, email, and website. The letter starts, "Dear valued customer, it has been brought to our attention from our accountant that certain services that we provide are subject to a 7.25% sales tax. Sales tax will only be applied to the appropriate service. As we continue to grow and learn, there are changes that need to be made to ensure that we are taking all of the right steps in running a successful business. One attribute that we continue to push is communication between our company and our customers. We do not want to bring you any surprises or changes that you were not made aware of. If you have any questions in regards to this matter, feel free to call or email us. We will try and answer any questions you may have. Thank you for your compliance to this change, and have a great day. Sincerely, Solo Cuts Landscaping." So really, there's not a lot of explanation I feel like that has to go into telling them that we are going to be applying a 7.25% sales tax. So with lawn maintenance being one of the services that I provide, that is a taxable service. Therefore, I need to start applying a 7.25% sales tax. So just to clear the air, it was not that I was not remitting my sales tax every month and reporting it. It was just a simple fact of I was not charging sales tax on the services that I'm charging $40 for. I'm not charging that to the customer. Therefore, when I charge $40 property, it is eating into my profits. Now, I know some people, they just say it's a $40 cut and then they pay their taxes on their sales of the $40 cut and everything like that, and that is perfectly fine. But after talking to my accountant, they said I should be charging a sales tax to the services provided, so I'm going to take their advice and go with it. Now, this video is not over yet because this was our third document. I'm going to show you guys how I bundle everything together and send it on its way to my customers. Alright guys, so this is going to be the main envelope that I send everything out in. Of course, it will obviously be stamped on this corner, but I'm going to put in the tax document, the change of payments, and my lawn care service document. Also, I'm going to put in there an envelope for them to return it back to me, and I will already stamp it for them. So that way, when they send that service document back to me, all they have to do is put it on the envelope and stuff it in the mailbox. And of course, I'm going to throw in 2 business cards. Fold that over. And there you go. You get a document just like that. Alright guys, so there you have it. That is my preseason packet that I'm sending out to my customers this spring 2019. At the making of this video, I had already sent them out. I'm expecting them to be back hopefully by March 23rd. I know a couple will trickle in a couple days after that, but that is our goal, to get them all in by that time. So I hope you have found some knowledge and some great information in this 3 video series that I have put together for you guys. Like I said, I'm not the authority. I don't know everything. I don't know all, but I'm going to bring you guys along the way and show you what is working in my business, and also take you along as I am learning the business as well. As always guys, thank you very much for tuning in to another video. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Make sure you smash that bell so that way you get a notification every time I drop a video. Leave a comment down below and tell me, do you guys apply sales tax after you invoice the customer, or is that included in your weekly price? I would love to know and hear your thoughts down in the comments below. And guys, we'll see you in the next one. Bye.